we're going to look at the eraser tool, which is pretty self-explanatory. It's right here, and I just right-clicked right here. If you're not already on the eraser tool, you can select that right there, and it does pretty much the opposite of the brush tool. It will take away, and right now I have a low opacity, so I'm just going to bring that up to 100, and now you can see that I am erasing. I don't typically use the eraser tool that much, but there is one really useful variation that we can use. And if we go over here and right click on the eraser tool, you will see the magic eraser tool, which is very, very useful. Now, I have an image right here that is going to work very well for this example. If you remember how the magic wand tool works right here from the selection tools video, you will know how the magic eraser tool will work. So right now I have an image that is surrounded with white, and it would not be effective at all if I went in with my eraser tool and tried to erase these white lines like that. That just wouldn't really be effective, as you can see. So what we can do is use the magic eraser tool. And similar to the magic wand tool, if I select right in the white, you will see that it all gets erased and we are left with a transparent background right here. So I can move this around and it can be very useful. The way it works is that when you select an area with a certain color and value, Photoshop will detect pixels around the pixel you selected and will decide whether to erase it or not. If it's a similar color and value, it will erase it. Now, just like the magic wand tool, we can adjust the strength of it with tolerance right here. And the higher the number is, the more sensitive it will be. And the lower the number, the less sensitive it will be. And while I have this tool out, I might as well show you the paint bucket tool, which is also very self-explanatory. It's located right here, and it should be under the gradient tool. So if you right click that and select the paint bucket tool, it works exactly like the magic eraser, and you just fill it all in, and now we're back where we started.